So the rainbow elbow, okay? This comes at a strange angle. This is our first elbow we're gonna go over. So this is the one that I don't like to throw from the front. This is definitely, I like to throw this from my rear hand, my rear elbow. So as I go, again, hands up, swimming through, moving from my center, rotating my hips and my foot, and the retract is super important. You'll see people, again, that's not good. I wanna go and then hips right back. So, and then right back. Okay, this is real common. You'll see that slash and then out, but you're open on this side of your face. So again, and I really want to rake and slash that. The more you do that, the more that has the chances of cutting somebody. Okay, here and back. If you do want to make sure it's a cut, you can kind of wrench and come back around because that's creating a cutting motion. The application of the rainbow elbow, okay? Now this is, we're going to be short and simple here. So hands up, okay? If he throws a jab, one of my favorite things is to come over the top, okay? And that's a cut. That cut, and again, he's jabbing. I want to come at the same time, rainbow over, and then right back, okay? It can also be a really good technique employed from a jab, stepping in close range, here, and back. Again, every time you throw offense, think of defense. You always have to stay covered and safe. But this is a great elbow because it's almost guaranteed to cut if you hit right around the brow line or the forehead.
Also, you'll notice that it's a high technique.
Yep.
It goes right over the guard.
Yep, absolutely. And I can actually grab his wrist if we're close and come over. Okay? So that's the rainbow elbow.